Open application will be asked to set a pattern which you can use to open or unlock your application. So do make sure you set up that once you have set up the application. We'll ask you to also set your security email so it can send you or reset a password if you have any problem unlocking any apps. But I'm just going to tap on that now for now, and that's pretty much it. So here you have the application here, and all I have to do is just select whichever application you want to lock. Let's say I want to lock Chrome here. All I have to do is just tap on the lock icon here and allow these features, and I'm pretty much good to go. Very, very easy to use, and you just scroll and look for what you want, whichever application you want. If you can't bother with the scrolling, you can as well tap on the search icon here and search for the application, and you're pretty much good to go. They do offer a vault feature where you can pretty much upload your music, you have any video, you have any files, APKs to this vault section here. Only you will be able to access this section here, so you can either upload anything you want as it relates to these things here. So all I have to do is just, let's say you want to upload a photo, you tap on the photo option, then you press on the plus icon and select a photo from your gallery. That's how simple it is. And pretty much the same thing that applies to anything here. Also, you have they have a browser, a built-in browser which you can use as well. And it's like a incognito browser, because once you have pretty much exit the browser, it will pretty much clear everything. As you can see here, it will pretty much clear the data. Yeah, that's it. So once you have done that, now you also have the profile section. Well, just nothing much for that option. You have the secret option here as it relates to this application. Do make sure you enable all of these features here so the application can work or it's supposed to work. So that's really pretty much it. And over here, 3 lines, you have the settings feature. There's some other features which you can enable as well, which also increase the security of the application and how the application functions. So that's really pretty much it. And you also have some templates which you can use for your devices and some theme as well as it relates to your lock screen. So the application lock screen, let's say you have locked WhatsApp. This is a template or the lock screen that will show for you to unlock WhatsApp. So you can use any one of these. Some of them you may need a subscription, so do keep in mind. So let's say I want this one here. All I have to do is select the one that I want, and I'm good to go. And all the one that I've installed on my device or used before will be in the installed section here. So very, very easy to install. So to get a pro subscription, you have to tap on the crown icon at the top here. And as you can see, all the subscription prices and everything as it relates to this application. So very, very easy application to use, and it's a very good application if you want to keep your apps protected and you don't want anyone to be going into your apps and so forth. Can use this application as well. You have the protection feature, which do offer some more protection as well. You can tap on the security option down here, tap on the arrow icon here. You can also take the application, take a selfie of someone. If someone's trying to enter your application and they got the password wrong or the pattern wrong, then it will immediately take a selfie without them knowing. So that's a really good feature as well. You can also enable the fingerprint unlock as well. And also you can change the security unlock pattern. Instead of the pattern, you can use a password or you can just use your fingerprint alone. But that's really pretty much it for that. There you also have some other apps here as well, other security features here as well, which you can use to increase the protection of your applications. So very, very good app. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.